Yes. Good afternoon to all. Respected guests on the dais, our Tirupati sir, and then Asha, and then all my beloved teachers, and the beautiful buddies, butterflies, and the bees, just like what Asha told. I'd like to copy. And the very smiling, charming, the anchors like Asman ma'am, both of you. I'm very fortunate to be on this stage and also to draw your attention of a beautiful meal, which I think next year I may have an opportunity to speak with you or interact with you. I don't know. Because you all might be reaching dizzy heights, dizzy places, great places, and you'll be busy achieving again intermediate results. And might be thinking some of your teachers and I might be a dot like that among you, if at all. So greetings to all on this happy occasion of Farewell Festa. Farewell Festa. The whole ocean of Vishwabharati group of schools. It's my great honor and pleasure to be here to speak with you and interact with you. Yes, students, student life is a very beautiful life. I say that it's a ship which was sailing, and we all are sailing in a big ship. It was a boat, what we showed actually. It is a ship, it's a journey, 13 to 14 years of journey, right from childhood to more elderhood, I say, the adulthood. And the journey goes on. And what catches you is the memories of the teachers, the memories of your students. Actually, farewell, we don't speak much. We all wish you, we bid you farewell so that you reach dizzy heights, dizzy goals in your life. Life is full of, not tragedies, full of achievements. If you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. You can, so you are going to win the goals. You can reach the goals. All of us are running a very big running race. A very big running race we all of us are running. And we teachers are holding the strings and running behind you. Which of my horse is going to run fast? Which of my horse is going to come first? What about the other horses which are running the last? All the horses are going to reach the goals. But only thing, we are trying that all the horses must reach first. The 10 grade horse races, the winners. So that is the race we are going on, students. Now what I say is, the life of a high school journey is the most beautiful journey. చాలా అందమైనది, గులాబీ కంటే అందమైనది. More beautiful than a rose, more beautiful than a lotus, more sweeter than the smell of a jasmine. Because once you leave the school, the sweet aroma of your memories with your friends, with your teachers, that will be haunting you. Might be from childhood, like very small children, very tiny tots, I have carried you. We have carried you, boys and girls. We have very good boys. I shout them, so much I do with girls and all. But the rapport between us is very great. Never any time nobody said that I am bad, but I am really very bad. Very bad in putting lines. See, that sort of relation we had. And now you say farewell, farewell, we are bidding farewell. Farewell is a festa we are enjoying. But you know, children, how much it pains after spending so much life with you. Heart pains, heart breaks. I cry internally. Genetically, my heart is crying. Not phenotypically. Phenotypically, you can see me how happy I am. Genotypically, you know that I feel such a good student, such a bold batch and boisterous batch of students are going out of my hands. Now I can't drive the ship. I'll be missing all of you so badly. Very badly. Only thing, there's no tears to cry. If I cry, I'll become weak. Only thing I feel lot. Yes, you are going. Again, I'll not get like students like you all. I may not have. Many are very talented. I saw your performance. I saw your speaking. I saw your other activities, your experimentation and your exploration and other activities, news reading, everything you were there, students. Whenever I commanded, whenever I shouted, whenever I was, you took it everything. that kind of love you have given and that kind of love I have given to you all. And always I have given you lot of skills. Everybody gives you grades, tens, but I gave you lot of skills. All my students, I develop them in skills. Skills of speaking, skills of experimenting, skills of exploration, skills of leadership qualities, skills of living outside, out of the box, out of the school life. Not only just teaching classes, beyond the classes. I connect most of the time. Why? Because just as school itself is not a life, your life is outside the school, you have a great life. You should withstand in the society which is just like Asha said, full of challenges. From that challenges you should come out. Yes, students, that's very nice. And just coming here, now what I said is, education does not allow, no, does not prevent you from making mistakes. వింటున్నారమ్మా? విద్య తప్పులు చేయకుండా మనను నిర్మూలించకుండా చేయట్లేదు, తప్పులు చేయమని చెప్తుంది. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్ నాట్ ప్రివెంటింగ్ యూ ఫ్రమ్ మేకింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్, బట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్ మేకింగ్ యూ టు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మిస్టేక్స్. Once you don't know, you do it again. You see how it happened, why did it happen? Then you are in the success. Just like Thomas Alva Edison. Everybody tells about the story of the bulb. But I say there is another side of Thomas Alva Edison's. When he was doing research, he had a small laboratory that got burnt. All his theories and researches have become into ashes. Bodhidaipoyinayi. He didn't feel, of course, internally cried. But he said, let it go. The destroyed is destroyed. It is past. Let us start the life fresh again. Within few days, not months, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, not few months, few days, he invented the phonograph, the gramophone. Graham Bell కూడా చేశాడు. He invented the phonograph, then he went on inventing many other things. See, that is such kind of achievement. We speak of 10 grades. All great people are not 10 great people, but 10 great people are very bright people. Then the last runners, later stages, different stage of lives, they work hard and there is a kind of bloom. In Telugu చాలా మంచి పదం ఉంది, వికాసం జరుగుతుంది. వికసించిపోతుంది అనమాట. వికాసం జరిగినప్పుడు ఇంకా మనం పట్టుకుంటే ఆగడనమాట. ఏ చేసినా విజయమే. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ క్యాచ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సక్సెస్. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ క్యాచ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సక్సెస్. Now coming back. Once again I will ask you, my chair is calling. Why did you make me sit here? Neither you are sitting nor you are allowing them to do. What can you see here in this chair? Dot. Nothing else? How was this dot? So same thing, what happens? There was a teacher, when he went for a function, just like this kind of farewell function, so what he did, it seems, he put a chart and put a dot and left it like that. He asked all the students, just like our 3 oceans, 3 సముద్రాలు, త్రివేణి సంగమాలు అడిగాడు అనమాట. ఏం కనపడుతుంది అక్కడ? వాట్ కెన్ యూ సీ హియర్? ఎవ్రీబడి సెడ్, ఎస్, ఐ కెన్ సీ ద డాట్. అబ్బా, వాట్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఐస్, వాట్ అ పవర్ఫుల్ ఐస్ యూ హ్యావ్. సచ్ అ బిగ్ ప్లేస్, యూఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ఓన్లీ ద డాట్. ఎస్, దెన్ వై డోంట్ యూ రైట్ ఇట్? రాసుకోండి. Then what did everybody wrote? Oh, the dot is beautiful. Can you describe how is this dot? Can you describe anything in this?
Blue color dot.
Blue color dot. Round. Circle.
Spear.
Tiny. Wow, very nice. Tiny. So tiny, so sweet of that voice. Then that's what happened. So he said, everybody described about the dot. So the teacher said, it seems, what is this, children? Such a large place is left out. You went on appreciating only that dot. What about this blue place? Such a beautiful place, so much of place is left. We can do many things in this place, but you're just finding about that dot. Did you understand? So many times what happens, might be in your teaching, might be in many of your occasions, you try to find a single small fault with your teachers, with your friends. You forget what good is done. Good is done more number of times. No. one lesson is not completed, syllabus college. Syllabus didn't finish, so I couldn't get good marks. What about the 9 to 10 lessons? What about the 12 to 15 lessons? Syllabus was completed. So please don't magnify the small things, magnify the large things. If you are able to magnify the large area of a ground, not the small dot or a dirt in the corner of the ground, you are not a visionary. Try to be a great visionary. Great visionary means whatever you see, you should see with a big magnified eyes. You will be a great visionary. So students, whatever it is, when the teacher has told, might be sometimes we have to draw lines, sometimes we have to hug children, sometimes we have to play with the children like child, sometimes we have to sing, sometimes we have to dance, we have to keep everything aside, we have to be smiling, even we have tons of problems, so many things. ఇంట్లో బియ్యం లేదు, పప్పు లేదు, ఇంట్లో కరెంట్ లేదు, గ్యాస్ లేదు, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆల్సో. బట్ అగైన్ మార్నింగ్ you'll find your teachers coming, hello children, good morning children, how are you? Oh, I didn't do this teacher, I didn't do that teacher. Oh, doesn't matter, come on, I'll help you. You have such kind helpful teachers. Teachers as parents, most of your parents are not taking care of you. It is the teachers who are taking care of you. You are today only of your teachers. 12 years, it is 12 years teachers' hard work. Very less. Please tell me boldly, if any parent sat with you and taught, nobody has done. Nobody can say boldly, yes, my father, my mother sat and taught me the whole day. It is your teachers. Please don't forget your teachers. The small teacher, the big teacher, the biggest teacher, the tallest teacher, the shortest teacher, the great teacher. All are teachers for you. The welfare who are going to take care of you. That is the teacher and that is the student relationship. And also students, I would like to give you another example. There were two boys. One boy is a teacher also, please you can listen that. It's a very nice, interesting incident. There were two boys. One boy's name was Tom. One boy's name was Sam. Okay? One boy's name was Tom. Another boy's name was Sam. Tom was a very hard-working boy. Sam was a believer. He used to believe things. He used to always pray to God. Tom used to do a lot of hard work. Then when they grew big, they both together, they bought a plot. అంటే ఒక పెద్ద ప్లాట్ కొన్నారనమాట. దే బాట్ అ ప్లాట్ అండ్ దే స్టార్టెడ్ ప్లవింగ్, ఖేతీబాడి కరేవనం, అండ్ దే స్టార్టెడ్ గ్రోయింగ్ క్రాప్స్. పంటలు వచ్చినాయి, కోతకు వచ్చింది. దెన్ దే కట్ ద క్రాప్స్ అండ్ దే సోల్డ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్. దే గాట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ దే గాట్. Then they started sharing it. When they shared, Sam said it, Tom said it seems, see, I have done a lot of hard work. I'm completely eligible to get more share than 50%. I should get 75%. You should get 25%. But Sam didn't agree. No, it's not at all. Because I was praying the whole day for you. That is why you got such kind of harvest. So I desire to have more share from that. There was a big fight and they went to a great wise man. The wise man said, it seems it happened in England. Hey, what happened? Why are you quarreling for that? So then they told it seems, see, this is the situation. The wise man told, okay, come on, you bring 2 bags of rice full of stones. He told them, by tomorrow, you must bring the bag and show me how many stones you have picked up. So then Tom started picking up the stones the whole night. Whole night he was picking up the stones. Sam sat at home and enjoying, just praying. Then the next day has come for judgment. They brought both the people and he's actually a caliph. He said, come on, show me how many stones you have removed. Open the bags. So when they opened the bags, Tom's bag was almost clean with almost a pound of stones taken out whole day and night. He toiled it. But Sam's bag was just as it is, with full of stones. Then the judge or the wise man said, it seems, see, whole day you had time, you didn't work hard. He worked hard, he could separate the stones. He said, no, I was praying. He said, praying will not help. Now, Tom is going to get the larger share and you are going to get the shorter share. He said, no, I was praying all the time. I am a believer of God. He said, no. Praying Believing God and hard working will not help like that. Praying alone will not help. Hard work and pray will help you. God will help people who work hard. It's not just like I will not study, I will go and just pray, and then after that I'll write exam, I'll go to some church, temple or masjid and pray. No. खुदा भगवान या कोई भी मसीह हो, जो मेहनत करता उसी के साथ है खुदा. God is with them. So prayer and hard working will go together, students. I want you all to be like that kind of hard working children. But without prayers you cannot achieve anything. All are believers. మనం హిందువులం, మహమ్మదీయులం, క్రైస్తవులం, జైనులు ఉన్నారా ఎవరైనా ఇక్కడ? సిక్ అండ్ జైన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ దర్. మన దేవుళ్ళని కొలుస్తున్నామా? హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్రేయింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్? అందరం దేవుళ్ళని కొలుస్తున్నాం కదా? వెరీ గుడ్. ప్లీజ్ పుట్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ డౌన్. ఆ భక్తి ఉంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. భక్తితో పాటు కష్టం కూడా ఉండాలి. కష్టే ఫలి. కష్టం యొక్క ఫలం ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? అది ఎప్పుడు ఫలిస్తుంది? కష్టంతో పాటు దేవుడిని ప్రార్థిస్తే ఫలితం వస్తుంది. అలాంటి ఫలితమే మీకు 10th వస్తుంది. కష్టపడండి, ఇష్టంగా చదవండి, దేవుణ్ణి ప్రార్థించండి, ముక్తి లభిస్తుంది. ముక్తి అంటే అక్కడ కాదు, 10th క్లాస్ రిజల్ట్లో మీకు ముక్తి, తృప్తి రెండు వస్తుంది. యుల్ గెట్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్, యుల్ గెట్ హ్యాపీనెస్. అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ నవ్ యూ ఆర్ షట్ లైక్ దట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టెన్స్డ్. వన్స్ ద రిజల్ట్, close your eyes and imagine you're getting the result. Oh, everybody is telling, yes, he got 10th grade, he passed out 9. అరే వీడు బడికి రాకపోయేది, ఆ 4 రోజులు చదివి వీడికి ఎక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చినాయి, వాడికి రాలేదు. బొమ్ బొమ్ హల్ మచాదియా. Everywhere they're going on speaking good results. Your parents are happy, teachers are happy, and you are actually walking in the air, you are flying in the air. Don't you need such kind of situations to come in your life? Yes. Hard work alone can help you. And I'm sure, under the guidance of all our teachers, CH students, I'm not only teacher for my students, invisibly I am your teacher also. In all the books, whatever it is, throughout the state might be, I wrote for you lessons. I'm invisibly, I'm your teacher. So please, at least one thing what I tell you follow, you'll definitely reach the goal. Not only this St. Joseph's, even Navodaya and Vishwabharati, your teachers, you all are my students. You're great students. I feel very great of having all of you, because such kind of opportunity will not come. I can't say just bidding you farewell. I would like to say bid you farewell, just like what Asha said. Chalte chalte mere ye geet yaad rakhna, kabhi alvida na कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. चलते चलते. This is my journey with you. And dear students, I want you not to say alvida, not to say goodbye, because you all, I told you, we all are sailors of the ship. Our ship is sailing towards the shores of success. మీకు అర్థమైందా? The ship was sailing towards the shores of success, and after reaching the shores, you all will be returning as great captains, great majors, great admirals. You will be returning as great officers. So you will be great winners of Vishwabharati group of schools. I desire that one. And students, I want to just show you something. My dear students,
Yes, sir.
see how beautiful this box is saying at you.
Yes, sir.
Are you very tired?
No, sir.
Asma is not tired. Yes. So the box is looking. Many say that this is what box?
Magical box.
What box?
Cross.
It is X box. X box is nothing but it is simple. It is, I think, nothing is there in this. So something is there. Xbox is nothing but it is empty box. Just like us, we read many things, and what we do is again a box becomes very empty, right? A box becomes very empty. So whenever they ask a question, nothing comes out of that box because the box becomes empty, right? So let us see whether this box is empty or it has some message for Vishabharati, Navodaya, and Saint Joseph. Many say Saint Joseph, Saint Joseph. అరే సెంట్ అంటే అదే సెంట్ కొట్టుకోవడం కాదయ్యా. సెయింట్ అంటే పుణ్యాత్ములు అన్నట్టు. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ సే సెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్. ఓకే, నా లెట్ మీ సీ. నథింగ్ ఇస్ హియర్. మళ్ళీ ఏం లేదు కదా ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ I would like to call Vishabharati students here first. One topper child or one the best child, please come and stand here. One child, please come here. Anybody one? Please hold it like this. This is for you and for the school. Yes, this is all the best and wish you all success from myself and from Asha and from a whole team, from all of us, from Vishabharati group, including our chairman and Tirupati sir, for everybody. All the best students of Vishabharati.
Thank you, sir.
I said Vishabharati. ధన్యవాదములు, కృతజ్ఞతలు. Yes. Now again let me see if anything is there. Again nothing is there. Now what I want to do is I would again close this box and I'll try to open it. Nothing is coming out. Is there anything? Oh, I think something is coming out. Woo! Let me call Navodaya students. One student please come over here. Please welcome. Sadar Swagatam. Please welcome. Please hold it. Yes, this is for Navodaya. All the best students. Wish you all success for Navodaya. Can you say hi? Hi, hi. This is for you. All the best 2023 and 24. I would like to call from St. Joseph's one student to stand here. Can you come here? Please, you stand here. One here.
अफनान बोलने में अफनान
Let me see what's left for you.
बोलने में निकल लिया.
Nothing is there. This box says that they're always with you. Why should I wish them? You only wish both the schools. But again, they say that it's partiality. So I will try to wish them also. Okay, St. Joseph's, do you like me wishing?
Yes,
That's the spirit.
you give me my friend, that is one.
Wow!
Yes, this
Claps
is-
all of you.
Please hold it. So this is for St. Joseph's High School. All the best. Wish you all success in your 10th class examination. Silent spectators. Asma, what is that something which you put something mantra, no? You are standing, you are not making noise and all. I students, I have been anchoring for the past 30 years, different areas, but I didn't see so disciplined audience. Asma, are you right? No, very disciplined audience. Am I right? Yes. So Keep it up. Don't shout. Store your energy. Okay. Let the energy burst out. Say all the best. Claps for you. Yeah. I think this is the gift I would like to give for Vishabharati. It's not a har, but it's a small bouquet for Vishabharati group of schools. Congratulations. Nothing is coming out. Box is getting dried. This is for Navodaya. फूल तो नहीं दिया दे सका, हार तो दे सका. God bless you. And again, let me see. Yes, for St. Joseph's also something is there. Yes. Congratulations, St. Joseph's. Okay, students. See, when success comes, it looks very beautiful, like a garland of flowers, very colorful, very beautiful. Why I selected green, yellow? Because Tirupati sir and our chairman said they like this colors, yellow and green. Because I was insisting, Are EMI sir, Tirupati sir, no sir, yellow should be, green should be. I told, okay, let it be. So that's why the favorite colors. One is yellow and green for Vishabharati, one green and blue, because yellow won't be nice on that green, that is for Navodaya, and the blue and dark blue is for St. Joseph's School. So all the three Triveni Sangamam, pray to God that we win and we become successful. Just like life is not a magic, but if you work hard, life will
Excellent
be
explanation
more than
by
more than
Noel
magic.
sir.
More than
Thank you
magic.
so much, sir.
God bless you all. And the box is again empty. It says that nothing is there. The whole life is empty. If you work hard, it will be full of flowers, full of money, full of life. From this life, magic comes on. The life goes on. I will be missing you, Lord, children. God bless you. It's a great honor. It's a great time, teachers. All the teachers, my beloved teachers. And my పేరు పేరున పేరు చెప్తే ఈ సముద్రంలో ఎన్ని చుక్కలు లెక్క పెట్టినా కష్టమే. నక్షత్రాలు అన్ని చుక్కలు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. చుక్కలు అయితే చూపిస్తలేరు, ప్రేమను వలుకుపోస్తున్నారు. అదే మీకున్న నైజం. దాన్ని నేను కృతజ్ఞుడిని. ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ డెప్త్ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ ఫర్ యూ. అండ్ తిరుపతి సార్ చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ. అస్మా థ్యాంక్ చేద్దామా ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు? ఓకే, so thank you Asma and thank you Tirupati sir and thank you ma'am for both of you. A wonderful time of having you. Let us carry sweet memories. Please don't carry memories. Don't carry memories. Memories అంటుండ్రేమే మీరు? మెమొరీసా? మోరీలా? మెమరీస్. తీపి జ్ఞాపకాలు. ఎట్లా? తీపి జ్ఞాపకాలు. God bless you. Thank you very much.